Object-Oriented Programming (OOP) is a computer programming model that organizes software designed around data or objects rather than functions and logic. An object can be defined as a data field that has unique attributes and behavior. In OOP, an object represents an entity in the real world, such as a student, a desk, a button, a file, a text input area, a loan, a web page, and a shopping cart. An OOP program is a collection of objects that interact to solve a task or problem. Java is a class-based object-oriented programming (OOP) language that is built around the concept of objects. OOP concepts intend to improve code readability and reusability by defining how to structure a Java program efficiently. Object-oriented programming brings together data and its behavior methods in a single location. Objects make it easier to understand how a program works. Objects and methods. An object is an encapsulation of data together with procedures that manipulate the data and functions that return information about the data. The procedures and functions are both called methods. Class: The class is a group of similar entities. It is only a logical component and not a physical entity. For example, if you had a class called expensive cars, it could have objects like Mercedes, BMW, Toyota, and others. It, its properties data can be the price or speed of these cars. While the methods may be performed with these cars are driving, reverse, and braking. Data hiding prevents inadvertent data modification.
Concept of OOP. Data abstraction, hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as abstraction. For example, for code, we don't know the internal processing. In Java, we use abstract class in an interface to achieve abstraction. Encapsulation, weaving or wrapping code and data together into a single unit, are known as encapsulation. For example, a capsule is a wrap with different mechanisms. A Java class is an example of encapsulation. Java Bean is the fully encapsulated encapsulate class because all of the data members are private here. Inheritance: when one object includes all the properties and behaviors of a parent object, it is known as inheritance. It provides code reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. Polymorphism in one task is performed in different ways. It is known as polymorphism. In Java, we use method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. Difference between object and class. The object is instance of a class whereas the class is a blueprint or template from which object and create. The object is a real-world entity such as pen, laptop, mobile, bed, keyboard, mouse, chair, and the others. Whereas class is a group of similar objects. The object is a physical entity, whereas the class is a logical entity. Access modified in the context of OOP. Public access allowed for all classes. Protect access allowed for subclass in any package and classes within the same package. Thus, access is allowed only the closely graded classes. Private, as alone, only within the class to which the members belong. This is typically used to hide data within the class. Any access to private data it is provided via method read and write access are via getters and setters respectively. There are also called accessories and methods.